Hi all of you, very good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech in Maths. My name is Kumar Das. इस वीडियो में JEE Main 29 Jan 2025 शिफ्ट टू 3 डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री का वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन को कवर करने जा रहा हूँ. सो क्वेश्चन इज हियर इज लेट P be the foot of perpendicular from the point 1, 2, 2 right on the line L x minus 1 by 1 equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 equal to z minus 2 by 2. Let the line R, right, this is in vector form, r vector equal to I minus I plus j minus 2k plus lambda I minus j plus k, lambda belongs to R, intersect the line L at Q, then 2 times pq the whole square is equal to. क्या होगा, इनमें से हमें सॉल्व करना है इस क्वेश्चन को. तो सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट आई राइट द लाइन इक्वेशन जो गिवन है वो दैट इज व्हाट x माइनस 1 बाई 1 y प्लस 1 बाई माइनस 1 एंड z माइनस 2 बाई 2 इक्वल टू व्हाट, इसको मैं मान लेता हूँ म्यू, राइट. सो जनरल पॉइंट निकालते हैं इस लाइन का. तो जनरल पॉइंट ऑफ दिस लाइन वुड बी व्हाट, लेट दिस बी पॉइंट बी, यहाँ पे क्या दे रखा है, लेट जो है वो P मान लेता हूँ मैं, राइट. लेट द P विद द फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर, उस पॉइंट को मैं P मान लेता हूँ. ओके, सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, म्यू, यहाँ से x में निकालो तो म्यू प्लस 1 एंड y फाइंड करूँ तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस म्यू माइनस 1, राइट. एंड z फाइंड करूँगा तो दैट इज व्हाट 2 म्यू प्लस 2, 2 म्यू प्लस 2. Okay, so just I draw the graph here, a rough diagram, right. So this is the point let A and that the coordinate of this one is 1 comma 2 comma 2 and foot of perpendicular from this point P to the line L, say this be P, ये P है हमारा. So now what I will do here is I will write the direction ratio, right. direction ratios of कौन सा line है हमारा, direction ratios of line L, right, are I just consider this as A1, B1 and C1. So A1, B1, C1 की वैल्यू यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा, 1 minus 1 and 2, right. Now I will find the direction ratios of what, AP, right. direction ratios of AP, right. That is what A2, B2 and C2. I just write here the A2, B2 and C2. So A2 क्या हो जाएगा, so mu plus 1, right, mu plus 1 minus 1, so that is what mu, okay. And minus mu minus 1 minus 2, so that is what minus mu minus 3, and 2 mu plus 2 minus 2, so this is what 2 mu, okay. So the direction ratios of AP, since L जो है वो perpendicular है कहाँ पे, line L पे, right. AP जो है, AP is perpendicular to line L. So in that case we can apply this condition, right, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 and this is equal to what, 0, right. We'll put the value of A1 A2 B1 B2 and C1. So on simplifying this condition that A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0, putting the value of this one into mu plus minus 1 into minus mu minus 3 plus 2 into 2 mu equal to 0. So we get here the 6 mu plus 3 equal to 0, and so mu equal to minus 6 by 3 minus 3 by 6, so that is minus 1 by 2. Now we can therefore find the point P, right. point P हम find कर सकते हैं and that is what here point P जो है, point P that is what here वो हमारा क्या है, point है mu plus 1, right. that is what mu plus 1 minus mu minus 1 and 2 mu plus 2. So putting this value in this point in the point P, so mu की value minus half है, so minus half plus 1 minus plus 1 by 2, so this is 1 by 2 minus 1 and this is what 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 2. So thus we get what here, this is 1 by 2, this is what minus 1 by 2, and so this is cancelled, so 1, right. So this is the point P, and we have given here the another line which is L1, right, and this is in vector form, right. in vector form r vector equal to minus I plus j minus 2k and plus lambda I minus j plus k. So Cartesian form of this line L1 is what here, so point यहाँ पे क्या होगा, minus 1 1 and minus 2 and the direction ratios of this line is 1 minus 1 and 1. So we are writing this in Cartesian form, that is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c equal to lambda. So this is what here, x plus 1 by 1, y minus 1 by minus 1 and z plus 2 by 1. So from here we will find the general point of this line, right, general point of this line, that what we can get here, general point, okay, general point of L1 line, general point of L1 line. आर वॉट बेसिकली लेट दिस बी पॉइंट बी क्यू मैं मान लेता हूँ इसको. सो फ्रॉम हियर इट इज़ वट lambda minus 1, right, lambda minus 1 minus lambda plus 1, this is what lambda minus 2. So this is what here is the point q. Okay, since line L and L1, right, are intersecting, right, it is given that line L and L1 are when the two lines intersect, then their x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate must be same, right. So in that case the general point of both line L and L1, the coordinate of x coordinate and y coordinate and z coordinate must be same. So x coordinate of L is mu plus 1 and x coordinate of L1 is lambda minus 1. So equated, so we get here the mu minus lambda equal to minus 2, and this is the y coordinate, so equated. So this is all same here. Basically if you take minus common here, mu minus lambda equal to minus 2, and the z coordinate 2 mu plus 2 equal to lambda minus 2. From here we get 2 mu minus lambda equal to minus 4. So now we will solve for lambda and mu. So simply what I will do here is just subtract this 2. So this is what mu minus 2, mu minus lambda, right, mu minus lambda equal to minus 2, and this is 2 mu minus lambda equal to minus 4. So on subtracting we get what we get here, this lambda cancel, so minus mu equal to what, minus mu equal to 2, and so mu equal to minus 2. Even we can get lambda, but to find the point q we can put the value of even mu to get the point q. Okay, so now what I am doing is also we can find here the mu की value minus 2 अगर मैं put कर दूँ तो lambda की value क्या आ जाएगा 0, right. And what is we have here the point q, right, point q is this one. So we can get the point q, right, point q हम यहाँ पे find कर सकते हैं, and that is what here point q की बात करूँ मैं. So point q is basically what we have lambda minus 1 and minus lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 1 and lambda minus 2. So what is lambda here, the lambda हमें क्या मिला है, that is 0. So if you put lambda 0, so we get the point q minus 1 1 and minus 2, right, minus 1 1 and minus 2. And p point हमने क्या find किया था 1/2 minus 1/2 and 1. So we'll find the distance pq, right. So we'll use the distance formula basically here. So distance formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square, right. So 1/2 plus 1 the whole square, right, and minus 1/2 minus 1 the whole square and 1 plus 2 the whole square. And so we get the distance pq, and that is what in under root what 9/4 into 6. So 9/4 into 6. Okay, and but we have to find what the pq square 2 times pq square. So just I do here is pq square में find करता हूँ. तो pq square क्या हो जाएगा, ये हमारा 9/4 into 6, right. We can even cancel this by 2, so this is 3, and 2 into pq the whole square is what here, the 9 into 3 is, that is what 27. If we see the option, the correct option is the option first is the correct option, that is 27. Hope you will be clear with the solutions. I will come with the new sets of question and their solution. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel so that I can upload more videos. Bye bye, take care.